Hi, my name is John Ramsden, and I would like to welcome you to our newest offering, 1433 Long Hill Road in beautiful Millington, New Jersey. This home has been rebuilt from top to bottom. No expense was spared, and literally everything is new in this amazing home. Five large full bedrooms with a master ensuite and 3 full baths in total. A custom kitchen with a huge island with views of the protected lands. Vaulted ceilings with skylights, large sliders, and new windows bring in tons of natural light. A fireplace, new hardwood floors, and huge separate custom deck and patio spaces for outdoor entertainment. The private park-like setting with exceptional views and privacy make this an entertainer's dream home. This is a unique opportunity to live in a worry-free new home with a warranty and amazing views. This is a must-see. With just minutes from New York City train and bus lines, Route 78 and 287 make this very convenient location to live. Top Long Hill Township schools, malls, and shopping are just minutes away. Thank you for watching our virtual tour. Please contact us to set up a private viewing. Thank you.